Good morning students. Welcome to our Vedic Maths class. Today we are going to discuss about the topic addition dot method, double plus single digits. Okay. So in this class we will learn about double plus single digits in addition for dot method. Okay. Okay. Let's see the first question. 37 plus 6 equal to dash. So we have to find the value using Vedic maths. Okay, so first of all you want to write here. Okay, 37 plus 6. Okay, we should add. In Vedic maths we have to take left to right, isn't it? So first listen, see the left side 3 is there. So 3 keep in your mind. 3 before number. So before number you want to see whether it is carry or non-carry. Okay. So we want to check here. See, this numbers is a carry numbers, isn't it? If it is carry means you should put the dot here. Okay. If it is carry means you should put the dot here. Suppose if it is not carry, that is non-carry means directly you want to add and write. Okay, so this is the carry number, so you should put the dot here. So dot we have to mention 1. Clear? So 3 plus 1 4, and you go to the next digits. Before digits 7 plus 6, that n numbers you should write. Already you know the n numbers. Okay, so directly you want to write that n numbers. 7 plus 6, you know the n numbers, that is 3. Clear? So the answer is 43. Right? Next, second sum. Second sum same like that. First you have to write 28 plus 7. Okay, now you see the left side, that number 2. Before number you want to check whether it is carry or non-carry. So see here, this is a carry number, isn't it? So carry numbers means you should put that dot here. Okay, so 2 plus 1, the dot mention 1. Okay, so 2 plus 1, 3, and n numbers, 8 plus 7, n numbers, what's that? 5. That's it. Okay, so the answer is 35. Okay, so you have to practice more this next sums. Clear? So first of all, you know the n numbers for this carry numbers. So carry numbers, first of all, you know the n numbers. Then after you have to firstly we can do and solve the problems and easily find the answers. Okay, next see the third sum. Third sum same like that. 67 6, we should add. See the 6 before number you want to check whether it is carry or non-carry. See, this is the carry number, isn't it? Carry numbers means you mention the dot here. So 6 plus 1, that dot mentioned 1. So 6 plus 1 7, right? That n numbers 7 plus 6, that n numbers 3. So the answer is 73. Clear? And next go to the last sum. So 39 plus 7. Clear? So 3 before number, if you want, we want to check the carry or non-carry. So it is a carry number, isn't it? So carry numbers means you should mention the dot here. So 3 plus 1, what's that? 4. And n numbers, 9 plus 7. That n numbers 6. So the answer is 46. Can you understand this? Okay, next see the next topic. Double plus double digits. We use the dot method for addition. Clear? Now see the first one, non-carry numbers. Non-carry numbers means we have to add natural additions. Normally we want to add. So see here 5 plus 2. So in natural additions right to left. Okay, so 5 plus 2 7. 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3 5. And next second sum, one more sums. See here 5 plus 3 8. 4 plus 1 5. So this is the non-carry numbers. So natural additions. Okay, next go to next one, carry combinations. Carry combinations means we use the dot. Okay, now see here in what's that? In carry combinations we use the dot left to right. Clear? So see here 2 plus 3. So what's the answer? 2 plus 3, directly we want to add 5. Okay. So before number we want to see whether it is carry or non-carry. Okay. But already I wrote this is the carry combinations. So carry combinations means definitely we use the dot. So here we want to put dot. Okay. So n numbers 8 plus 7. The n numbers what? 5. Okay. Then after final answer, see here in upside C one dot is there. So final this answer 5 plus 1 we add the dot means we can consider 1. So 5 plus 1 we have to cancel 5 plus 1 6. So this 5 as it is we want to write here. Okay. So that's all. So the answer is 65. Okay. And see second one same like that as usual 4 plus 2 we want to write 6. 4 plus 2 directly we want to add and after and which means before number we want to see. So this is the carry combinations. Carry combinations means we want to use dot here. Okay. Dot considered 1 and that n numbers 8 plus 5 that n numbers what? 3. Okay. Then after second step see here that 6 dot 1. So 6 plus 1 we have to cancel. The answer is 7. 3 as it is we want to write here. So the answer is 73. Clear? Next, go to the third sum. See here, 6 plus 3, 9. Okay? And after, before, you want to see. This is the carry combinations. Carry combinations means we have to use dot here. Okay? And 6 plus 3 already, you know. So keep in your mind. 9 plus 1, the dot considered 1. 9 plus 1, 10. That n numbers, 8 plus 9, that n numbers 7. Okay? So the answer is 107. Clear? Next, fourth sum. See here, we have to just add 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 what's the answer? 12. So keep in your mind. And before number we want to see carry combinations. Carry combinations means we use the dot here. So 12 plus 1, 13. So 13. That n numbers. 6 plus 7. That n numbers is 3. So the answer is 133. Can you understand this? Okay. Next topic. Triple plus triple digits. So using dot method. Okay. So same like that. First we can take non-carry combinations. Non-carry means natural additions. Naturally we want to add normal additions. That is 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 5, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. So this is the non-carry numbers. So directly we want to add and make. So 4 plus 4, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 1 or 1 plus 5, 6. Okay. So this is the non-carry. So non-carry means normal additions, which means right to left. In carry combinations means we have to take left to right. Okay. So now listen here. 5 plus 2 you want to write here 7. And before number you want to see whether it is carry or non-carry. So this is the non-carry. Non-carry. So we have to add 6 plus 2, 8. Then after before number again we want to check before number whether it is carry or non-carry. So carry. Carry means we want to mention dot here. This place. Okay. And 7 plus 5. The 10 numbers 2. So you want to write here. Okay. Then after you want to write 7 as it is because there is no more dot. Okay. So 7 as it is right here. And next see here 8. Here 8 outside is dot is there. So we count 8 plus 1, 9. And 2 as it is you want to write here. Okay. So the answer is 792. Clear? And next sum. Same method, same like that. 4 plus 2, 6. Before number you want to check whether it is carry or non-carry. So this is the carry combinations. Carry combinations means here you want to mention the dot. Okay. Then that n numbers we want to write. 3 plus 9. That n numbers is 2. Okay. Then before number you want to check whether it is carry or non-carry. See. Non-carry, isn't it? So 8 plus 1, 9. That we want to write. And next step. See here in 6, 1 dot is there. Okay. So you want to add 1. 6 plus 1, 7. And 2 as it is you want to write here. 9 as it is. So the answer is 729. Okay. And next third sum. same method, same like that. Clear? So 6 plus 2, 8, and before number you want to check whether it is carry or non carry. So see here, this is the carry. So you want to mention dot here. Okay, so 8 normal 6 plus 2 you want to write, add and write. And next here this 9 plus 5, the n numbers you want to write 4, and again before number you want to check whether it is carry or non carry. See here, this is a carry combinations. Carry combinations is you want to mention dot here in this place. Okay, and then 7 plus 8, that n numbers 5. So you want to mention here 5. Clear? And next step. See here, 8 plus 1. The dot considered 1. So 8 plus 1, you have to cancel and write 9. And see here, next digit is 4. 4 plus 1, the dot considered 1. 4 plus 1, 5. And 5 as it is you want to write here because there is no more dot. Okay, so directly you want to write. And next, one more sum is that. See here, as usual. So 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 what? 11. So keep in your mind, and before number you want to check whether it is carry or non carry. So carry combinations. Carry combinations means you have to put dot this place. So 11 plus dot 1, that is 11 plus 1, 12. Right? And see here, that n numbers 8 plus 9, that n numbers, what's that? 7. Okay, so keep in your mind, and before number you want to check, that is carry or non carry. So this is the next before number, that also carry combinations. So you have to mention dot here. And that n numbers 8 plus 9, that n numbers you want 7. So 7 plus 1, the dot considered 1. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, so that n number 7 plus 3, that n numbers is 0. So that you want to write here. Okay, can you understand this? Okay, today our teaching part is over. Next, homeworks. So today, how many topics we have seen? First topic, double plus single, and second topic, double plus double, and third topic, triple plus triple digits. Okay, so these three topics we have homework sums is there. So we have to work on and practice more. Then only we can easily solve the problems. Okay, so after completing the homework sums, you should take photo and send your class teachers. Okay, thank you.